And now let's move forward. Finally, a moment we have all been waiting for. We're launching a very exciting competition for you all. Please welcome Jari Porrasmaa from the Ministry of Social Affairs and Health.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, audience. So my name is Jari, and now we are launching the competition that I mentioned earlier. And it's an app design competition, like the previous speakers told how to procure. Now we don't want to procure in the old way, do something new in the government program. We want to encourage innovative purchasing, and this is one example. So let's go forward. These are the reasons Teemu-Pekka already told you about this. And actually I was in the morning in the Slush main sessions, and we had a health session there, and they started talking about interoperability. Okay, so we know that Finland, it's a puny market. Only 20 billion euros in the social and healthcare. But our platform, it's internationally interoperable. So you build your app here, it'll work on Epic, Cerner, all over the world, and so on. We've heavily invested into international standards. And all the other numbers that we have here, we have 1,300,000 people logging in, so we have the channel to get to the people, and they will find your app there. It's the second most popular and trusted website in Finland. Then the integration. We have the data from all of the Finnish citizens, all the prescriptions, all of the healthcare data. With one integration, you get all of this data. You don't need to go to every city, every hospital. One integration, all the data. And there's a lot of data, over 1 billion documents already, and they're pouring in all the time. Next one. One more number to convince you. And that's the number. Any guesses what that is? Well, click one more. It's euros, so 500,000 euros for building these applications. And I think we'll find some good applications here. Do you like it? Is it good? Okay, let's go forward and click the next one too. Some ideas about the applications. I've been talking to many companies, and overall the picture is like this, that there's companies coming from the regulated medical devices like GE. They've invested here a center on building stuff. Then you have consumer companies like Nokia coming into health. And these things are converging. A lot of new tech, robotics, AI, big data, artificial intelligence, all of that. That's available here in Slush. Take a look at that. Create your idea. You might have your idea. You might have your app. And create the next generation of health app for us to use. Next, please. So you've been told about the ODA, which is now a nicer name, Oma-olo in Finnish, and virtual hospital. We want apps complementing this, and we want apps to solve the device connectivity. So the next one. These are the categories that we are looking. We are looking for 3 apps. One self-care app that the citizens will use, and it's not healthcare connected, but it will help them their well-being and so on, and take better care of themselves. One app for guided own care, where the healthcare connection is available, and people can talk to the healthcare professionals. And then we want one app to solve device connectivity and ecosystem connectivity. We know that Nokia and Google and all of the big companies, they have their own ecosystems and their cloud, and we want to connect all of that data into the national personal health record. We have several things that the app should solve and focus. Maybe it's not really important to go all through that here, because you will find the papers and you can take a look at them. And we have challenges, what you need to solve to make your app good for the referees and the judges who will pick the winner. And we'll go forward. This is the timeline. So we are now here today. We have announced the invitation. You have 18 days. Maybe that's a very long time for a startup, but for government it's quite short. 18 days to do your draft proposal. Then we will pick from all of the proposals, maybe 9 to 12 best ones, to create the final proposal. And then you will have a possibility to ask questions, you will get answers, and we will do that in an iterative manner, so a few rounds of that. And then on January, you will submit your final proposal, and the jury will come together and pick a winner from those, or 3 winners for each category. And then we sign the deal and get your app rolling. Next one. That was it from me. I really want to thank everybody for a vibrant event. Everybody wanted to talk. Very successful event from my point of view. Maybe a little bit too long, but Papa tried to keep us in line very successfully. So we wish everybody to take part in the competition. And one final thing I want to say, I want to thank Jukka, because he's been organizing this event, and all of the team who have done the work to get this together. So all of the people, let's give a big hand to yourselves and to Jukka and the team.
Great, and thank you, Jari. One question to you. Who will be the judges?
The judges are in the... it's on the EU website. We have to do the EU process. That was a very difficult thing because they translated to all the EU languages, and I submitted the proposal on Tuesday night, and I was waiting. Will they get it ready? They got it ready, so we were able to tell it today. And it's about 10 people. They are from healthcare, from Virtual Hospital, from ODA, and they are from the Doctors Association, and different names there. Don't talk to the judges. That will get you disqualified. I'm one of the judges. Don't talk to me about your idea.
Great, thank you. Thank you very much. Jari Porrasmaa. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to end our event. Today has been an extremely important day. Never before have so many innovative and enthusiastic people from both the public sector and the startup world got together to shape the future of our welfare and health services. All today's presentations and video will be available later on the Ministry of Social Affairs and Health website at sdm.fi. Follow up with the people you met today, of course, work together, and you will have a huge impact on society, and you will help us all. Thank you for a very, very, very nice event, and enjoy your time at Slush. Thank you and bye-bye.